Windows play a bigger role in your Sugarland home than most people realize. They affect comfort, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and even your monthly utility bills. While many homeowners put off window replacement, old or failing windows can quietly cost you money and reduce your home's value. Knowing the warning signs early can help you make a smart investment before small issues turn into bigger problems. Below are the most common signs it may be time to replace your old windows, especially in Sugarland's hot, humid climate. Rising energy bills with no clear explanation. If your air conditioner seems to be working overtime and your energy bills keep climbing, your windows may be to blame. Older windows often lack modern insulation and airtight seals, allowing cooled air to escape and hot Texas air to enter. In Sugarland, where summers are long and intense, inefficient windows can significantly impact indoor comfort and energy costs. New energy-efficient windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reducing strain on your HVAC system and lowering monthly bills. Noticeable drafts or temperature changes. Do certain rooms feel warmer than others, even when the AC is running? Drafts around window frames or glass panes are a clear sign of failing seals. Over time, weather exposure causes frames to warp and caulking to crack, letting outside air seep in. If you feel heat near your windows or notice temperature swings throughout your home, replacement windows can restore comfort and eliminate unwanted airflow. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If yours stick, jam, or require extra force, it's more than an inconvenience, it's a safety concern. Warped frames, swollen materials, and worn hardware are common in older windows, especially in humid climates like Sugarland. Replacing old windows improves functionality, enhances ventilation, and ensures windows can be easily opened in case of emergencies. Condensation between glass panes. Foggy windows or moisture trapped between double pane glass indicate a broken seal. Once that seal fails, the window loses its insulating ability and allows humidity to build up inside the glass. This issue can't be repaired effectively and usually means the window needs replacement. New windows with advanced sealing technology prevent moisture buildup and improve visibility. Outside noise is too easy to hear. If traffic, lawn equipment, or neighborhood noise seems louder than it used to be, your windows may no longer provide proper sound insulation. Older single-pane or deteriorated windows allow noise to travel easily indoors. Modern replacement windows offer better sound reduction, creating a quieter, more peaceful home environment, especially valuable in busy Sugarland neighborhoods. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, rotting frames, peeling paint, or water damage around windows are clear signs it's time for an upgrade. These issues can lead to leaks, mold growth, and structural damage if ignored. Replacing damaged windows protects your home from moisture intrusion and preserves the integrity of surrounding walls and framing. Your home looks dated from the outside. Old windows can make an otherwise well-maintained home look outdated. If you're planning to sell or simply want to improve curb appeal, window replacement delivers an instant visual upgrade. New windows come in a wide range of styles and finishes that complement Sugarland homes, boosting resale value and first impressions. When replacement makes the most sense. If your windows are more than 15 to 20 years old and showing multiple signs of wear, replacement is often more cost-effective than ongoing repairs. Modern windows are designed for durability, energy efficiency, and long-term performance, perfect for Sugarland's climate. Upgrading your windows isn't just about fixing problems, it's about improving comfort, lowering energy costs, and enhancing your home's overall value. If these signs sound familiar, it may be time to explore professional window replacement options and enjoy a more comfortable home year-round.